That tomorrow isn't here right now, babe.
Hi everyone, so today I wanted to share a little cleaning motivation with you. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome, and everyone else, welcome back. I miss you guys so very much. So today I'm going to just start out here in my kitchen. I'm removing all of my items from my coffee station because it did need a complete wipe down. So I'm disinfecting the area and all of that good stuff. But I do miss you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. And stay tuned for this cleaning motivation. Let me know down below, or you guys have your own little coffee station set up. You see, I don't have a lot of room, but I did maximize this space and make it super cute and simple. Let me know. I would love to know what type of vibe or style do you have. Do you have a tea station set up, coffee station, all that good stuff? I like to have little snacks here and there. So, yeah. I am just refilling. You see, I just put them in these little cute refillable jars. I found the jars at World Market, and also the and I've also found the little coffee syrup from World Market as well. I know Amazon, you can find some on there as well. So I've been asked in the past, so I thought I'll share.
The way they think is paradoxical. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go.
Now that I'm here at home working, I do have limited time, so I do try to incorporate my children here to help keep the home clean. It is a bit challenging now that we are all home for the most part all day long, so it is a little challenging, but I do have them to go periodically to wipe down the walls, the baseboards, and try to just keep things here tidy up in the home since we're still here 100%. But we're living proof. Here is the before of my kitchen. So, and here is an after. So let's get this tackled.
Looking at me so cold.
Okay, it's time to definitely change these out, so that's what I'm going to do. But unfortunately, I just have two of the same kind. This is going to be fresh orange. So usually I like to have two different scents, but that's all I have at the moment. So here you go. I think this was like lemon and something else.
Try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch.
Here's one of the favorite things I like to do, switch out my dish towels that I find periodically, like at Ross, Home Goods, Target. Just a fun way, inexpensive way, just to change up a little styling in your kitchen. Thought I'll share, and I did find that little white holder from like Ross for like less than $10. It just elevates your, you know, kitchen decor. So something to think about. Hold on one moment. Has anybody else tried this Dawn spray? I am here for it. That is my second bottle since I've discovered it. I think it is just the ultimate, like, innovative item. So I would definitely keep that in rotation. I just love it, and it has an awesome smell. So let me know down below, have you guys tried the new Dawn spray? It is so awesome.
The sun